Hello again, it's the Cynical Traveler here at the Western Brook Trail, way up north on the west side of Newfoundland. We're gonna take a boat tour this morning. You can see the boat right there through this inland fjord, and we're gonna see some amazing scenery, so I'm told. So there'll be more later. Here we are. Western Brook Trail, Newfoundland. Back again. We're now riding on the motor vehicle Westbrook 1, interestingly enough. And we're looking at an opening and escarpment through the hills here in Grossmoor Park, which is a mammoth 70-kilometer park. A lot of water. It's on the western coast of Newfoundland, and these mountains, as you can see, are just incredible. And this opening that we will, I guess, ultimately be going through is a lot wider. Everything, video doesn't do this justice, but I'm taping it so I can try to remember just how thrilling it is to see it. So we've gone a little ways now, and I'm basically just holding the camera as the boat goes by these amazing cliffs, the scale of which, of course, does not translate into a phone video. But it's a try.
Hey guys, I draw your attention to the left side.
So here is a shot of some really tall, scarred glacial cliffs on the other side, and also.
Okay guys, look out there to your left.
So this is a shot of the other side of some extraordinary.
Also guys, anybody curious about how close we are to these cliffs?
So, more mountains and a glacier valley over there, and just loads of scenic stuff that you really can't capture. Every time I try to take a picture, the tour guide starts shouting into the PA system. So anyway, this is what we're looking at. It is awe-inspiring. A really deep, glacier-gouged mountain valley over there. Just incredible. The scale of this is really, really impressive. Can't find anything to be cynical about. So more mountains up to the sky, as high as 770 meters. Also, for those of you who are in mourning over the old man in the mountain and the White Mountains of New Hampshire falling down, can take comfort that it appears he has moved here. You see up there, you see his eyebrows, his nose and lips, and so on. So he lives on, except he's in Grossmoor Park in Canada. Okay, here we are again. Now we've come across one of a number of waterfalls. This one, I forgot the name of it already, but anyway, it's very, very scenic. Another long shot. We're now heading back in the other direction, in the same countryside. And it's just very, very big. Makes you feel really small. We're sailing along in this solid rock valley. So now we're on the return trip, and we're shooting now just back into the little, what looks like a narrow gorge that enters into this fjord with the tall rock walls. The only problem is this fjord, the water is about 1 kilometer across. So that narrowness is not nearly as narrow as it appears, either when you sit looking at it or in the video. So the Cynical traveler again, winding up the video of the fjord in Grossmoor Park, the Western Brook. Not terrifically crowded today, the boat's crowded, but in space like this, it's hard to say don't come here, because if you ever get the chance to come here and take this boat tour, you certainly should do it. And so cheers. Nothing else to report. Cynical traveler signing off.